Please evacuate
Why
this
is the
building.
fire alarm going off at midnight?
I don't know, maybe you could politely ask the fire to be more convenient.
If this building isn't burning to the ground, it's gonna be soon.
This building.
Fire alarm at midnight while I was I got work in the morning. The building isn't even burning down. Wow, Breanna is pissed. Yeah, well, the alarm went off while we were sleeping.
Alright everyone, we've checked it out and it was a false alarm. So everyone can go back inside now.
A false alarm? Who set it off?
Oh, that's simple. Someone burnt toast in unit 607. Come on, grab the Dalmatian.
Who the hell makes toast at midnight? Oh, sorry everyone. My little Jimmy is quite the scoundrel, aren't you, Jimmy?
I like toast.
Oh, kids, what can you do? How about putting it on a leash? Oh, they get creative at this age. I like to encourage that growth, but next time we'll try not to set off the fire alarm. Won't we, Jimmy?
Shut up, Mom. I make toast whenever I want.
Oh, Jimmy, you're such a riot. I will end that child. Baby, you don't need to do that. We can go back now. Let's just go back. Breanna, don't do anything irrational. Please.
What you looking at, old lady?
Hey, lady. I think you forgot something. Yes, what is that? To use a condom 10 years ago. Alright, come on guys, let's go. Babe, you do this every time. Why do you?
Oh my god, no, we don't know.
What's a condom?